Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save email as PDF on Android. So let's go. First of all, you have to go to your Gmail app. Then click on any email. Then click on three dots. You can see here print. Click on print. Now you can see this email as PDF. Now you have to click on this icon. You can give this PDF a title. Now click on save. To check your PDF file, now you have to go to files. Now click on documents. Now you can see your PDF file here. So this is how to save email as PDF on Android. So guys, that's it. You can do it. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.